Hi, I'm Joe Thomas. When I find a product that's unique and helps make fishing easier and a lot more fun, I just have to share it. And I'm going to do that today with the coolest new fishing tool I've ever seen. It's called the Ultimate Line Winding System by American Premier. I change my line constantly and it's almost always a hassle. You have to find somebody to put a pencil through the spool, then you got to get the tension right, and if you're using spinning tackle, it's even worse with all the line twists. The Ultimate Line Winding System fixes that, and here's how. Just put your reel and a spool of line on the Ultimate Line Winding System and adjust your spool pressure. And then hold the Ultimate Line Winding System vertically and start reeling. See how easy it spins, and it virtually eliminates twist. And see, you can do it all by yourself. You can use big spools of line, or with the custom bushings that come with the Ultimate Line Winding System, you can even use small spools. And they store right in the lower rod seat, so you'll never lose them. The Ultimate Line Winding System is made of high-strength graphite, so it's light and strong. It's compact and easy to stow in my boat or even in a small tackle box. And best of all, it lets me get rid of my old line winding system. Hey, I'm not the only one who thinks the Ultimate Line Winding System is pretty cool. It actually won the 2012 iCast Award for Best Fishing Accessory in the New Product Showcase. The Ultimate Line Winding System by American Premier. It's so unique, it's patented, and I guarantee it'll make your fishing easier and a lot more fun.